What up, guys? Patronn here, and we coming to you live from the Automotive Game Changer Conference. My boy here, Sean Bradley, in the Heezy. What do you think of the conference so far?
Well, I'll tell you right now, listen, like I mentioned on stage, I've been doing this for almost 12 years throwing conferences, and I'm going to repeat this for the record. People think it's easy. Let me just get a venue, and just people are going to magically show up.
You know, it started as a joke, right?
Yeah, I'm sure, like, I mean, people, but listen, there was nothing joking about that. The way that you have the setup was dope. What I liked a lot was the intro.
You like that?
Yeah, 100%. I like the LCD screen. I like the style.
Yeah.
I like to be able to, the performance thing with Tony. Yo, honestly, spot on.
Yes,
Spot on with
Respect,
that.
yes.
Yeah, for sure.
Yes.
And the speakers that you have are off the hook. And listen, I'm just going to say this. As a marketer myself, I'm all about branding. I'm all about, like you said, social media. But what you've accomplished, yo, you should be extremely proud, because there's a lot of people that could turn around and, have like a buzz or what have you, but they can't monetize.
Right.
Okay, and at the end
Build
of the
a brand.
yeah, absolutely. The whole thing is this: is that let's not get it twisted. It's all about making money. You know what I mean?
Absolutely.
Like, again,
The end of the
if,
day.
if you're not pushing cars, if you're not selling cars like candy bars, as the man
Candy
says,
bars, yeah.
then this is just like social, fun.
Right.
What I like is that what you figured out is how to turn around and leverage social media, create a brand, a following, and the key point is how to monetize it.
Right.
And so again, hats off to you. And
Thanks, sir.
if you are not here at this conference, you have no idea what you're missing. It's straight fire. And go back to YouTube and Google. I don't be co-signing many people. So
yes, that's true.
For sure.
That's true. So I'm honored for you to have you being here and drop some fire. And obviously we're gonna be doing some business. I'm excited for Nashville. Let's talk about that a little bit.
Oh, word, absolutely. So what we're
2019.
doing, 2019.
Guys, the schedule looks crazy already. So Pete, get ready. We're going to Nashville.
Yo, listen. So it's going to be March. I think March 18th, 19th, to 20th. It's going to be in the beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. El Patronn is going to bless my stage.
By the way, I already have content for that.
Yeah?
FYI, yes. I just haven't
Yo,
put it out
listen.
yet.
But I'm telling you, but listen. Also, after what I just saw, I'm going back with my team, and I'm going to make a couple adjustments. Because here's the thing, is that once you turn around and you keep doing something, right, and then you see somebody, like, I swear to God, like, I asked Tony, I turned around, I was like, okay, player, I see your work. That's what I love.
Yeah.
Instead of like mine, and scarcity mentality,
Right.
You have an abundance mindset. I have an abundance mindset. We could all live. You know what I'm saying?
Absolutely.
Yo, can I say it on camera?
Of course.
We live, kid, right?
Yes,
That's what's
we
up.
live, kid, yeah.
Yo, so again, I'm super excited having you coming out there, but it doesn't even matter my other speakers. El Patron's going to be in the house.
Guys, we're going to be in the house. All right, we're bringing some power players, you know what I'm saying? And I'm excited because I know you put up this event. Everybody keeps telling me about it, and I wanted to be kind of like, get ideas from you as well, just like, you hear and you see what's going on. But, nah, man, much love, respect for you, all right?
Yo, listen, I'm just saying this right now. I just drove 3 hours to come here to hit the stage. I've got meetings, and I got to drive back. So that's like 6 hours to basically go on stage for half an hour, because this man is worth it. So again, I'm telling you, I'm sure there's going to be tons of footage, but it's not the same. You need to experience. Yo, do you have another one planned out soon?
I mean, we're in the talks right now.
Yo,
There's a lot of people
listen,
reaching out.
hashtag when's the next one? That's all I want to know.
Yeah,
hashtag
for
when's the
real.
next one, because it's going to be off the chain.
Yeah, for real.
All right, so
we're thinking of doing it somewhere warmer. We're not going to say the location yet, but we have a couple of things lined up.
Listen, I can already tell, like, your mind's going crazy.
Yes,
so.
it is. The bigger the better, right? 2019 is the best yet to come, and I'd love for you to be part of it, of course.
Honored.
And I want to do some things together, like we talked about, and for you to come to the store and talk to my guys, of course. And I see a lot. Even Bobby was very excited about you. Talk to me, hey, we got to get Sean in the store. I'm like, it's just our schedule. I say his schedule's crazy, mine's crazy, and Chris is around the corner. So, but we got to link up and see if we can put this thing together.
But I want to just say this too. What's crazy about social media is that you're able to find like-minded people, and it's like a magnet. You attract people. The people that you're attracting, you know what I mean, is not by accident.
No.
I believe in I have a lot of faith, as you do too. But it's about the laws of attraction and manifestation. Energy.
I'm
by
reading
far.
The Secret right now.
Yo, listen, my kids, because I see your beautiful family here.
Yes, thank you.
And again, I have my son watch the 10-year-old watch The Secret at least 3 or 4 times.
Yeah.
There's the 7 habits of highly effective people. They have the 7 habits of highly effective kids.
Yeah.
That's the biggest thing is start them young.
All right.
And then you heard my daughter, she's starting to sell cars. She just got a job, at a Chrysler dealership in Reading, Pennsylvania.
Your son is better, right?
Huh? No, my son is 10. My older daughter is 19, so she's about to turn around and make it happen in our industry. So listen, I'm out. He's got to go host a major national conference. Much respect.
Be safe. Thank you, sir.
Oh, thank you very much. Appreciate it.
course.
You got to come to the next one.
Guys, peace out, Patronn. Sean Bradley in the house. You already know how we roll. All right, we live, kid.